We guide you through how to make your TikTok following list private so other people can see who you follow. First thing you need to do is to open the TikTok app on your phone and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines or menu in the top right, then go to Settings and Privacy. From there, tap Privacy and look for the option called Following List or Who Can See Your Following List. Tap it and change the settings from everyone to only me or friends, depending on how private you want it to be. This instantly hides your following list from strangers and random users. For even more privacy, go back to the privacy section and enable the private account, which makes sure only approved followers can see your activity, post, and followers list. After turning these options on, your TikTok following list is now hidden and protected, and only people you allow can view your activity. This is simple but powerful way to control your privacy and keep your TikTok profile secure.